Good morning students. Today we will study about board mass. Today's topic is board mass. In this topic we will do the questions in which questions you will use the symbol of all symbols in one question like multiplication, division, subtraction, addition, bracket. आज हम वो क्वेश्चंस करेंगे जिसमें आप सारे सिंबल्स एक ही क्वेश्चन में यूज करोगे. हम इन क्वेश्चंस को क्या बोलते हैं? सिंप्लीफाई. मीन्स व्हाट वी कॉल देम सिंप्लीफाई. बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द एक्सरसाइज, फर्स्ट लेट मी टेल यू अबाउट बोर्ड मास. अबाउट दिस बोर्ड मास, Deolar stands for a words. In this, B stands for bracket. B stands for bracket. Right? See, brackets are of three types. Brackets are of three types. First type of brackets are this type of brackets. First type of brackets are this type of brackets. Second one is like this. You will do this, then turn and then second side also. Because when you start a bracket, जब भी आप bracket start करते हो, closing is important. कि आपको important plus needy required कि अगर आपने एक ब्रैकेट को स्टार्ट किया है तो वहाँ ब्रैकेट ओवर होने के लिए भी ब्रैकेट का साइन होना चाहिए. राइट. थर्ड वन इज दिस. इट इज द सिंपल वन. राइट. थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ ब्रैकेट. फर्स्ट इज दिस स्मॉल, बिग एंड लार्ज. इफ इन अ क्वेश्चन ब्रैकेट कम्स, क्वेश्चन में ब्रैकेट आती है, सो यू विल डू लाइक दिस. फर्स्ट यू विल सॉल्व दिस. पहले हम इस ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व करेंगे. Second we will solve this and third this one. Clear the concept of bracket? Next, O stands for off. O stands for off. Off means multiplication. Off means multiplication. Off means multiplication. Multiply करना. D stands for division. D stands for division. M stands for multiplication. M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition. A stands for addition, or you can say add. S stands for subtraction. See, B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. Clear? बोर्ड मास ये 6 लेटर्स से है. 6 लेटर्स में ब्रैकेट्स क्लियर है ऑल अबाउट. इफ इन द क्वेश्चन ब्रैकेट्स आर गिवन, फर्स्ट यू विल सॉल्व दिस टाइप, सेकेंड दिस, थर्ड वन दिस. आफ्टर दैट व्हेन यू सॉल्व द ब्रैकेट्स देन O कम. O मीन्स ऑफ. आफ्टर दैट इफ इन द क्वेश्चन ऑफ इज गिवन देन यू विल डू द मल्टीप्लीकेशन. उसके बाद आप ऑफ वाला पोर्शन सॉल्व करेंगे. थर्ड वन डिवीज़न. बेटा ये मायने इट इज़ डजेंट मैटर कि डिवीज़न जो है वो 2 टाइम्स है, 3 टाइम्स है या 4 टाइम्स है. डिवीज़न आपको एक स्टेप में अगर 4 टाइम्स है तो 4 टाइम्स सॉल्व करनी है, 3 टाइम्स है तो 3 टाइम्स सॉल्व करनी है. राइट. नेक्स्ट इज मल्टीप्लीकेशन. मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई करना. ए स्टैंड्स फॉर एडिशन, ऐड करना. एस स्टैंड्स फॉर सब्ट्रैक्शन, सब्ट्रैक्ट करना. Here now you are having doubt about the multiplication. See, this is also multiplication और ये भी multiplication, right? Now अब आपको क्या डाउट क्रिएट होगा कि दोनों में multiplication है तो हम पहले क्या करें? Right? What we do first? तो फर्स्टली आपको ऑफ वाला जो साइन होगा जहाँ गिवन होगा एनी नंबर लाइक 5 of 2. One side, see I am giving you one example. See, 5 of 2 plus 3 multiply 6, right? Now see, you will say, ma'am, of means also multiply and multiply means multiply. So what we do first? So what you have to do, firstly आप of को solve करोगे, multiply next step में होगा. Of means multiplication and 5 2s are 10. After that it is same, plus 3 multiply 6, right? Now of के बाद see, only here are two symbols, addition and multiplication, right? But as we studied, after of what comes? Division. Division is not there, it means you can't do. Multiplication is given. So 10 plus 3 6 are 18. Now after that only addition, 10 plus 18 28, right? आपको ऐसे solve करना है. Clear about the concept? This is a very easy. Firstly आप bracket को solve करोगे, secondly of, third division, fourth one multiplication, fifth one addition, sixth one subtraction, right beta? Now come to the first question of your exercise. Today we will do only board mass questions. First question is, this is your exercise 5.8. Exercise 5.8. First question is 2 by 3 multiply 3 by 8 plus 3 by 5 divide 2 by 3 minus 1 4 by 5. Now see, first of tell me which kind of fraction is this? Three types fractions we have studied. First one proper, improper and then mixed fraction, right? So this is your mixed fraction. So firstly choice is yours. If you want to divide, firstly we will convert these mixed fraction into simple. When you convert this, what you will do? 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 by 3 multiply 3 by 8 plus 3 by 5 divide 2 by 3 minus 5 1s are 5 plus 4 9 by 5, right? Now there are four symbols: multiplication, addition, division and subtraction. Now you will tell me, according to the board mass rule, first what we do? Add, subtraction, multiplication or division. First we have to do the division. Now see, a fraction is given to you. Fraction में division, you know what you will do? You will draw one line here to divide. 3 by 5 divide 2 by 3. When we divide, second term क्या होती है आपकी? रेसिप्रोकल हो जाती है. रेसिप्रोकल मीन्स डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर में कन्वर्ट होगा, न्यूमरेटर कन्वर्टेड इनटू डिनोमिनेटर. 3 by reciprocal 3 by 2. Now it can't cut. 3 3s are 9, 5 2s are 10. But in previous class also I told that you can't cut numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. आप आमने सामने numbers को cut नहीं कर सकते. You can cut only numerator of first, denominator of second or denominator of first, right? So our answer is 9 by 10. Now write it here. 8 by 3 multiply 3 by 8 plus, when we divide this both we get 9 by 10. 9 by 10 minus 9 by 5. After this what we have to do? What? Multiplication, addition, subtraction. Multiplication. So multiply both the numbers. You can do it here also. 8 by 3 multiply 3 by 8. See beta, I already told you, you can cut numerator by denominator of first and denominator of second, right? 8 can cut by 8 and 3 can cut by 3. Answer is 1. 1 plus 9 by 10 minus 9 by 5. See, we have both the number in the fraction, so we will write here 1 by 1. If any number be like this and you have to add any number, जो नंबर क्या हो, फ्रैक्शन हो, तो उसमें आप क्या करोगे, नीचे आप 1 लगाओगे, डाउन साइड आप डिनोमिनेटर क्रिएट करोगे and the value of that denominator is 1, right? Now after that addition, add both the number. 9 by 10 plus 1 by 1 equals to, see, 10 and 1, they both are separate number. कोई टेबल ऐसा नहीं है in which they both come together. So what we do, 10 multiply 1, 10, right? Now divide this number by this. 10 divided by 10, 1, 1 9s are 9, plus 10 divided by 1, 10, multiply with 1, 10 ones are 10, 19 by 10, right? So what come here, 19 by 10 minus 9 by 5, right? Now 5 and 10, they both are come in the table of 10. दोनों किस टेबल में आते हैं, 10 के टेबल में, राइट? 10 के टेबल में आते हैं. सो एलसीएम विल बी द ग्रेटर नंबर. एलसीएम क्या होगा, 10. नाउ 10 डिवाइड बाय 10, व्हाट कम्स, 1. 19 ones are 19 minus 10 divide by 5, 2, and 2 multiply with 9, 18. 19 minus 18 is 1 by 10, right? Clear first question? Now come to the second one. Second B part is 2 by 3 divide 4 by 7 plus 1 2 by 5 minus 3 by 7 of 6 by 11, right? This I told you, draw one line here. Now see beta, in this off is also there, bracket is not there. So firstly हम क्या solve करेंगे, off, and off means multiply. 2 by 3 divide 4 by 7 plus, choice is your, if you want to make it simple, 5 ones are 5 plus 2, 7 by 5 minus 3 by 7 multiply 6 by 11, right? Now 2 by 3 divide 4 by 7 plus 7 by 5 minus 6 3s are 18 by 7 11s are 77, right? Now division, first step is over. Of की simplification we have done. Now the come is division. Division, 2 by 3 divide 4 by 7, right? See beta, we change the sign, multiplication. When we multiply, when we change the sign, the second number goes reciprocal. 7 up है, down है, sorry, up आ जाएगा, 7 by 4. Now see, numerator is 2 and the denominator of second one is 4. They both can cut. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now equals to 7 ones are 7 and 3 2s are 6, right? So here when we solve this, 7 by 6 plus 7 by 5 minus 18 by 17. Now what we have to solve? According to board mass, addition or subtraction? Addition. Now again see, these two we have to add. In both the denominators, दोनों के डिनोमिनेटर्स में कोई भी ऐसा टेबल नहीं है जिस टेबल में दोनों, they both are not the single number which they comes together, right? So what we do? Multiply 6 5s are 30, same. Now divide with 6, 6 5s are 30, 5 7s are 35, plus 5 6s are 6 7s are 42, minus 18 by 77. Now 5 plus 2 7, 3 4 7, 77 by 30 minus 18 by 77, right? Now take out the LCM of these two. No single table is there in which they both comes together, so we will multiply both the numbers. 77 multiply with 30, 0 0, 3 7s are 21, 2, 3 7s are 21 and 2 23. LCM is 2 3 1 0, 2 3 1 0, right? Now see beta, we multiply these both the numbers. अगर हम 30 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमारा डिविजिबल जो क्वेश्चन आएगा वो 77 आएगा. इफ़ यू डिवाइड इट विथ 77 इट इज़ 30, राइट? सो वी विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस बोथ. 77 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 77, 7 7s are 49, 4 7 7s are 49 and 4 53. Same it is 5 3 9, 9 9 and 3 12, 1 5 plus 3 8 and 1 9, 5 2 9, sorry 5 9 2 9 minus, when you divide it with 77 answer is 30. 18 3s are 54, 0 as it is. Now subtract 5 9 2 9, 5 40, 9 minus 12 minus 4 8, 8 minus 5 3. After that 5, right? So our answer is 5 9 2 9 5 4 0. And it comes here 5 3 8 9 divided by 2 3 1 0. Clear? Now if you want to cut, you can cut it. Now come to C part. C part is 4 by 5 of 9 by 13 plus 6 by 11 minus 3 by 2 multiply 1 by 5, right? Same again, firstly we will solve the off part, and in off part 4 by 5 multiply 9 by 13, 4 9s are 36, 13 5s are 65, right? So what come here? 36 by 65 plus 6 by 11 minus 3 by 2 multiply 1 by 5. After this multiplication, plus 6 by 11 minus 3 1s are 3, 2 5s are 10. Now addition, add both the number. Similarly like that. Now see 65 and 11. Is there any common table for that? No table is there. Now 65 multiply with 11. 65 ones are 65, 65 ones are 65. 5, 6 plus 5, 11, 1, 6 plus 1, 7. LCM is 7, 1, 5. Now 11 multiply with 35. 35 multiply 35, 5 plus 3, 8, 3, 3, 8, 5 plus, if you divide this with 11 you got 65, and now 65 multiply with 6, 6 5s are 33, 6 6 are 36, 36 plus 3, 39 plus 390 minus 3 by 10. Similarly 715, add both the numbers, 5, 8 plus 9, 17, 1 goes carry, 3 plus 3, 6 and 1, 7, minus 3 by 10, right? Now solve this also. 7115 minus 3 by 10. Now we have to find the LCM. This is, see here both numbers can be divided by 5. It is our choice if we want to change into simplest form, so we will do it. Same again I will draw the same line. 775 by 715. Firstly divide with 5. 5 ones are 5. 2, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25. Same for this, 5 ones are 5, 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15, right? Now 143, 155 by 143 minus 3 by 10. Now see they both are also, कोई कॉमन टेबल नहीं है जिससे दोनों डिवाइड कर सके. मल्टीप्लाई बोथ द नंबर्स. 1430. This I already told in previous videos. Whenever you multiply a number with 10, 100 and 1000, आपको सिंपली क्या करना है, नंबर ऑफ जीरोस काउंट करो. आफ्टर द डिजिट्स, सी दीज आर द डिजिट्स. डिजिट्स के बाद सेम नंबर्स ऑफ जीरो पुट करो, राइट? नाउ यू विल डिवाइड दिस विद 1430. 143 से आप डिवाइड करोगे, यू विल गेट 10. 10 मल्टीप्लाई विद 155, सेम 0, माइनस 10 से डिवाइड करो 143. 143 मल्टीप्लाई विद 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 1 goes carry, 3 1s are 3 and 1 4. 4 2 9, right? Now subtract. Ten minus 9, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. 5 minus 4, 1 and 1. 1 1 2 1 1 4 3 0. Clear this question? Now next D part. D part is 1 3 by 4 multiply. Now the brackets are start. 2 2 by 3, 2 2 by 3 plus like this. Then 5 by 6 minus 2 by 3 divide 2 by 5 of 1 by 2. See, I already told you closing is important. So now firstly which bracket we will solve? This one. 1 3 by 4, rest the statement will be same. 2 2 by 3 plus this bracket, little bit movement just. Now 5 6 You can separately also if you want to solve in this also. See, they both are the numbers come in 3 table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So the LCM is the bigger number 6. When we divide 6 by 6, 1 come, 1 5s are 5 minus 3 twos are 6, 2 twos are 4. Answer is 5 minus 4, 1 by 6. Sorry, here I forgot to put the bracket. Now divide 2 by 5 of 1 by 2. Right? So 1 3 by 4 multiply 2 2 by 3 plus. Now see, in this bracket the answer is 1 by 6. Divide 2 by 5 of 1 by 2. Right? Now see one thing beta, in this bracket there are two symbols together, division and of. Now in this bracket also you will apply board mass. अब आप इस bracket में भी board mass apply करोगे. And according to board mass, what you solve first, division or of? Of 1 3 by 4 multiply 2 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6 divide. Now see, direct 2 cut by 2, 1 by 5. Right? We will convert them mixed fraction into simple. 4 ones are 4 plus 3, 7 by 4 multiply 3 twos are 6, 6 plus 2, 8 by 3 plus division है. If division is there, you will change the sign, and when you change the sign, the number got reciprocal. Right? Now 7 by 4 multiply 8 by 3 plus brackets को direct solve करो. 5 ones are 5 by 6 ones are 6. Right? Now we will solve this bracket. 7 by 4 multiply. See, 3 and 6. LCM is 6. 3 twos are. Divide 6 by 3. We get 2. 2 8s are 16 plus 6 divided by 6. 1. 5 ones are 5. Answer is 21 by 6. Right? Now remove the brackets. 7 by 4 multiply 21 by 6. Now see, in this we will solve this. 3 sevens are 21, 3 twos are 6. Right? So 7 by 4 multiply 7 by 2. 7 sevens are 49, 4 twos are 8. Clear? Now E part. 2 1 by 2 plus brackets 1 1 by 6 minus 2 by 3 of 4 by 5 brackets divide 1 by 2 then bigger multiply 5 by 7. Clear? Firstly we solve this bracket. 2 twos are 4 plus 1 5 by 2 plus bracket 6 ones are 6 plus 1 7 by 6 minus 2 by 3 of means multiply 4 by 5 divide 1 by 2 bracket bigger bracket multiply 5 by 7. Right? I already told about this. If in a bracket, in the same bracket you will get more than one sign, means more than one you have to do either addition, subtraction, multiplication. There also you will use board mass. Clear? 5/2 plus bracket 7/6 minus 4 2 is 8 and 5 3 is 15, right? Bracket divide 1/2 this and then multiply 5/7. Now we have to find the LCM of 6 and 15. See beta, they both come in the table of 3, but 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, right? Now 3 2s are 6 and 6 5s are 30. LCM is 30. 30 divided by 6, 5. 5 multiplies 7, 35 minus 30 divided by 15, 2. 2 8s are 16. Divide 1/2. Multiply 5/7. Next 5/2 plus bracket 35 minus 16, 19. 19/30. Divide 1/2. Multiply 5/7, right? Now 5/2 plus bracket 19/30. I already told, अगर दो फ्रैक्शंस को आपको डिवाइड करना है, फर्स्टली वी विल चेंज द साइन, आफ्टर दैट रेसिप्रोकल, right? Now see, this is 2 and it is 30. They can both cut. 15, 2 1s are 2, 15. It comes 19/15. Multiply 5/1. 5/2 plus 19/15, right? Multiply 5/1. Now LCM of this, they both number are different. LCM is 30. 30 divided by 2, 15, and 15 5s are 75, plus 30 divided by 15, 2, and 19 2s are 38. Multiply 5/1. Add 5 plus 8, 13. 1 goes carry, 7 plus 3, 10 and 1, 11. 30. Multiply 5/1. Clear? It can cut by 6. 5 1s are 5, 5 6 are 30. 113/6. Right? Clear the question? Now come to the last part, which one is F. F 6/13 of brackets 5/6 plus 2/3 minus 2/5. Divide 1/2. Multiply 5/9. Now the brackets end. Now you will say that ma'am, you told we have to, firstly we will solve this bracket, but here are two brackets of same, right? So what we do, we will do step wise. First we will solve this and side by side हम इसको भी solve करेंगे. 6/13 of ब्रैकेट से बाहर है 6 and 3, LCM is 6. 5 plus 6 divided by 3, 2. 2 2s are 4. Minus 2/5. Division, sign change. digits got reciprocal. Multiply 5 by 9. Clear? Now 6 by 13 of bracket start 5 plus 4, 9 by 6 minus 2 2 za 4, 5 1 za 5. Multiply 5 by 9. Clear? Now same 6 by 13 of, now in this bracket there are two signs, minus and multiplication. So what we will do first, multiply 9 by 6 minus 5 cut by 5. What comes here? 4 by 9. Now find the LCM of 6 and 9. 3 2 za 6, 3 3 za 9. Right? Now LCM is 3 2 za 6, 6 3 za 18. 6 by 13 of 18. 6 3 za 18, 9 3 za 27 minus 9 2 za 18, 2 4 za 8. I am saying because when you divide 18 by 6, what comes? 3. 3 multiply by 9, 27. Now 18 divided by 9, what comes? 2. 2 4 za 8. Next 6 by 13 of, solve the brackets, 27 minus 8, 15 by 18. Right? Now of means multiply 15 by 18. I told you by the numerator of 1 you can cut the denominator of second. 6 1 za 6, 6 3 za 18, 3 1 za 3, 3 5 za 15, and the answer is 5 by 13. Right? The question is clear. If the brackets are given, first you will solve the bracket, after that off. I hope the exercise is clear to everyone.